I know I usually make my videos about Florida lifestyle and all, but here we are at the 1947 cabin. This is just the garage area where they have parties, but it's on the Delaware River. And this is Judd, one of the family. Hey, Judd. Here's the main cottage. Well, hello there. How you doing, Jessie? Hi, Jessie. What's going on? What's going on? Are you being a good girl? Okay, how about this? Oh, she's sound asleep. Are you sound asleep? Look at you, look at you. Look at that. Nice. There's a pina colada machine in here. Cat's making pina coladas.
We're on safari to stay. Tell the teacher we're serving. We're out serving USA.
First try.
Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. It's not much to talk about. Was throwing love strong and southern.
Let go.
Then you get them balls back.
Where's the ball? Okay. Like that? Where's your ball?
Now.
It's going to be an adventure on the Delaware River. Got the puppies with you? Hot Dog Johnny's.
I'm generous with you.
Keeping it real.
This one tastes like a Saturn almost. Right out.
Tastes like what?
I think I like this number 2 better than number